Good morning, lovely people of the earth. Alright, today I am going to have one effective tip if you are having hiccups. Alright, here it goes. First, so you have to relax and then you have to look up. After looking up, you have to inhale deeply and then exhale. You have to do this 3 times. So here it goes. Look up, inhale, exhale. One more time. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. That's simple. Now, if your hiccups still persist, you have to do it for the 4th time. But you have to hold your breath. So look up, inhale, exhale. Alright, now observe. I know you are going to be okay. Your hiccup will be eliminated. Now, if still you really had a bad or you have a bad hiccup, so you have to do it over and over again. So instead of drinking water, do this. You have to look up, inhale, and exhale. That is proven. I've tried it many times. Even my family, my friends, I had American friends, so they also do this, and it's effective. Try it at home. Bye. Thank you for watching.